Hello, I'm Gunnarolla, and this is Sylvia.
Hello.
And we're back with another Loblaw Canadian food trend. This month's trend is cooking on the clock.
Yes, and after a long day at work, you don't necessarily want to spend hours cooking in the kitchen. But if you're foodies like us, you definitely still want a delicious and fancy meal.
So, we're gonna teach you how to make what we call the fast and fancy noodles. Simple ingredients, great taste, and they only take 40 minutes to make. And to prove it, we're setting our timer.
Boom.
Let's go. The first thing we're gonna do is prep our fresh ingredients. Chop our broccoli, slice our green onion into fine strips, and do the same with our ginger. Next, we're gonna bring a pot of water to a boil. This will be for our noodles, which we'll get to a little later. While we wait for that, it's time to fry our meat. We're gonna add some oil to our pan at medium-high heat, throw in some minced garlic and ginger, and add strips of beef. Next, take half an orange and using a fork, squeeze the juice out onto the beef. And now is where we get a little fancy. Let's add a splash of President's Choice raspberry flavored red wine vinegar. This is gonna bring out something a little sweet and acidic and really help to bring this dish to life. Let's set the beef aside and clean up our wok. Now it's time to add our flat rice noodles to boiling water. You'll wanna keep an eye on these to make sure you don't overcook them. In our clean wok, we're going to add broccoli and bean sprouts and some President's Choice rock salt. And in the interest of saving time, and because it tastes really good, we're using President's Choice Memories of Hong Kong sauce. It's an explosion of soy sauce, ginger, and sesame, savory taste that will perfectly complement our meat. Let's add our noodles back in, and our beef, and for an extra fancy touch, our secret weapon, President's Choice Onion Cabernet Wine Jelly. This will take our sweet and savory to the next level. Toss it all together with chopsticks so that you don't break the noodles, throw some crushed peanuts on top, and there you have it. Smells amazing. 40 minutes.
Yes!
Super fun.
We did it.
Super easy.
Super easy.
Super quick.
Is it time to eat?
I think it's time to eat. Let's give this a
try
try.
it. Good.
I love the contrast between the noodles, which are a bit chewier, and the peanuts and these
the
bean
beef,
sprouts.
too.
Yeah, the beef too.
I like the wine jelly a lot.
Which is funny because we had no idea what to expect from wine jelly.
I know.
But it's kind of this oniony,
nice taste.
savory, sweet. But I would say the real MVP was our huge time saver. This Memories of Hong Kong sauce, which had our soy, it had our sesame, and our ginger all in one. Love this dish because it's a combination of my two favorite Asian noodle dishes, beef ho fun and pad thai.
I actually really like this orange touch too.
Yeah.
Cooking the meat in the orange juice is really good.
Yeah, and it just adds a nice little color.
Very subtle, but delicious.
So there you have it, our fast and fancy noodles. Super tasty, super easy, and super quick.
And under 40 minutes.
And we saved a ton of time thanks to our President's Choice products. Try it out at home. I'll see you next time. À la prochaine.